Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about FLORASIS. I saw your messages, sorry about the delay. That's reviewed the new collection, which is the lovely pink anniversary limited edition. I got 5 items. Let's talk about the powder first. If you see the 2 packagings, this one has light pink brown color and it's thicker. This is the loose powder, and if you see this one, it's more like PU leather feel, and it's a beautiful design like a nude pink. This is the pressed powder. Both of them are number 6. If you look at the loose powder, the back is with like obvious color on it. If you use the FLORASIS powder before or you follow my channel for a while, their powder product is always their iconic items, at least in my heart. This new one, the quality is still maintained very well. The blurring effect, minimize the pores, oil control. From that perspective, is the same as their previous powders. If you're interested, I will have relative videos in my description box. This time the difference is more about, the atmosphere creating, in my opinion. Both powder are light pink. However, if you're familiar with this brand, they've also introduced light peach pink and light lavender colored powder before. If you guys remember the packaging, let me quickly show you number 5 and number 6. From the design's perspective, apart from the packaging colors, the rest are the same. In terms of colors, this is number 5 and this is number 6. If you look at them side by side, the number 6 new one is a slightly more pink. Number 5, it is more like nude hint pink. However, I tried on myself. If you use both of them as a setting powder, the result is 99% similar. You don't look pink or like you applied some blush. It will only give you a, more fresh finish. It's not the same as translucent one, which doesn't really change the finishing of your makeup. This one doesn't change, but add a little bit, very energetic, fresh finish. For the new collection, when you use the loose powder, it doesn't matter how much layers I actually put on top. One, it doesn't get cakey at all, and it doesn't actually turn to a blush level. It does get brighter after you layering it, but until you tilt your face, you will only see a hint of pinkness. Today, I didn't use blush at all, and this side I used the loose powder, and you see if I tilt it, especially this area, you don't see like a pink blush right on here, but it just looks fresher, more clean. On the other hand, the pressed powder, they are the same color design itself, but I have to say the pressed one has a slightly higher pigment compared to the loose powder. While I use the powder on this side, you will see the pinkness better than the loose powder side. Today, this side, I layering the pressed powder probably almost about 10 times. The miracle is, again, look so not powdery at all. Very smooth and silky, but this is the strongest color it will show. So what I need to remind you guys is that if you expect this to become like a light blush, in my opinion, it's not even close to that pigmentation. The main function and the result are still as setting powder. For setting powder, it's perfect for you, especially if you have a fairly pale skin tone yourself. You may be a little bit hesitant of using those light lavender color, which can be too bright for yourself. The new collection number 6 would work perfect for you. And if you go to their website, which I have linked down below, you see the picture presenting those packaging. When you receive it, it's exactly as you expected. Within the collection this time, they also have their liquid lipstick as well as a lip gloss. I show you guys the color on my lip first, which is the S302. They have 2 versions of this color. One is lip gloss and one is more like lip mousse. You see from the reflection straight away which one is the lip gloss, which is this one. Originally when I swiped this color, I was like, oh my god, it looked like dead Barbie pink. But surprisingly, when I swipe on the lip while using it today, let me zoom you in. How soft, how ladylike, and how summery it is. It's a perfect summer color. It looks so soft. And I purposely haven't topped up the lip gloss. If you top up the lip gloss, it will make your lip look so dewy. See, look. It's such an energetic summer color. It makes your lip look like a, you know, candy pink. Very, very pretty. And the next one is the iconic color. If you want to choose a particular color from, you know, all their lip product collections, go for this one first, which is G145. This one. It's a Flores' iconic color. Very, very beautiful orange red. Orange brick red, little bit brown in there as well. This is a very, very nice color. Very lightweight, smooth out your lip lines very well, neither sink into it and it doesn't glue your lip at all. The lip gloss for Flores' one lasts fairly long and it also has stain as well, so just be careful. Look. You see, but you can use just eyelid removal to remove it very easily. This time for the new collection, they have so many choices and also they packaged very well with different items. I highly recommend to check out their website. The link is down below and I also have discount code with them. So if you plan to buy anything, don't forget to use the code. I also bought their eyeshadow stick and the new moisturizer they introduced as well. So more items coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next video.